my goodness. This is not a picture. This is real. This is real mountain view. And
you thought this is a picture?
yes.
You thought they put a big picture there?
And you also look like picture. Painting picture. So,
You also look like a painting picture.
so beautiful.
You look like a real painting picture. Can I see? Can I see?
No, wait.
Give what?
Look. Look at this peaceful place. Even look at these flowers. You will. Okay, just hold on there.
Wait, let me 选一个给你看看。
Yeah, so beautiful. You also can travel here and visit here. Just drive the car, and climb up the mountain, and just slow and slow. You can find here. I just love the peaceful place. I love the quiet place. I love the nature. And I see you soon.